So this is a video to show you how to use the infrared camera. I have my infrared camera and I have my old phone right here. And you need both of those things. Let's go ahead and start up the old phone. There's a button right here. You press and hold that button and you will see the logo. There we go, Galaxy S6. Go ahead and put that aside. Here's our camera. It's in a little special protective case. I'm just going to pry it out of the case. And there it is. There's our camera. And in order to make this camera function, you do need to make sure that it's charged. There's a charging port right here. You can charge it with the regular micro USB cable. I have one right here next to the desk. But anyways, let's go ahead and start up the camera. So my phone is started up right now, and I'm just going to swipe it open. There's no, there shouldn't be any code on it. There's no code on it. No code. Okay, good. No code. Click this button to go home. All right. So what you're going to do is turn on the camera. This is the switch right here. And the light comes on. And it gets plugged into the bottom of the phone so that it's facing away from the screen. Like so. And then the software should pop open. There it goes. And we are now doing infrared photography. So let's see. I'm going to take a picture of something over here. I don't know. Oh, there's my laptop, which is looking a little bit hot right there. So when you, okay, it's taking a second here. I'm going to go ahead and take a picture. You take a picture. Now, if you're working one-on-one, this is actually kind of fun. You can tap here to get to the picture. And the picture comes up and you can actually slide back and forth to show the non-infrared picture along with the overlay of the infrared picture. So now we have some pictures we want to share with people. There's a couple of ways you can share them. First of all, when you're done with the camera, just unplug it and press and hold this button until it turns off, okay? And then put it back in the case so that it's nice and safe. The camera lens faces in to keep it protected. So we have a couple of options. So back to the main screen, click the middle button. Click our browser and you can just go to Pipeline and log in with your Pipeline account, and then you could send yourself an email. That's probably what that's a pretty easy one to do. So Pipeline is actually already here.
Okay, you're logging in?
So I'm logging into my Pipeline. Okay.
Spanning the...
Okay, so, oh yeah, security.
Yeah.
There we go. So,
all right,
I'm logged into Pipeline. Okay, here's Pipeline. And you could do this in the classroom as well. I'm going to go ahead and click the email right here. And so I'm in my email, my Pipeline email. I'm going to click the little pencil here to compose a new email, and I'll just send it to myself. So, oops, let me try that again. To SP Kelly. You can send it to yourself, of course. And you could put IR picture. I don't know. You don't have to do that. And then the most important thing, of course, is to attach. So we're going to click the attach button, which is right here, right there. Attach a file. Okay, attach a file. And it's actually going to go to, you're going to go to Documents. And it's actually the last thing that I just did. So I just tapped that. And now it's attached and I can send it to myself. That's pretty easy. If you would prefer, you can also download the pictures. And so you attach this phone and then you plug it into a computer. Okay, plug it into a computer. The only thing you have to be careful of is that when you do plug it into the computer, in order to see it as a device, you swipe down from the top and you'll see it says File Transfer. So click that. And then make sure that you tap that file transfer. Now this will appear as a device that I can copy files from. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my computer. Oops, that didn't work. Let's see if it works now. I'm not sure what that means. Okay, let's just ignore that. And I can see my Samsung right here. This is the phone. And I can go right here and I can go to DCIM, which is the camera, and I go to FLIR 1. And here is the picture that I just took a few seconds ago. Oh, it's opening in Photoshop. You don't have to use Photoshop. But there is the picture of my laptop that I just... No, that's not the picture of my laptop that I just took. Where's the one that I just took? It must be down here. Hold on. That far up. No.
Why don't you sort by date?
That's funny. What's that?
Sort by date.
Yeah, let me try that. Details and 2019 05. Oh, here it is. 527. This is the picture I just took. Oh no, that's not 527. What's the date today?
June 27th.
620. Oh, that's the picture I just took. So maybe the date. Oh no, it says 627. Never mind. It says 627. So there's my picture. Okay. So maybe I'll clean out the phone so you don't see a bunch of pictures. All right. Thanks everybody. That's how you do it. Bye.